All right.
See how it goes.
All right. Maiden flight of the Great Plains rifle one in. All right. 16-foot fence, 16 feet away.
I can't even see it.
Slow it down.
Gosh.
Holy crap! Now that's not good.
Getting any of it, Bill?
That's a good question. Your guess is as good as mine. We'll only know when we look at the footage. I don't know how you keep your eye. I can't even see it.
It disappeared. It gets a profile and turn just a certain direction. It just totally disappears.
Exactly.
I gotta get
I'm
flat.
gonna try to back up here and get a fast flyby if I can.
All right. Gee, maneezers.
Wow.
Thing is fast.
I don't know where.
Yeah, I can't hardly see it when I turn down there. Holy crap. This is a handful now. I mean, it's just the orientation, you can't see it.
Yeah.
It gets so small so fast. Back up a little bit more. I'll try to get her to fly by over the runway if I can. You're so good. I got your helmets on? Level that where I can see
I'll
you.
get behind Bill here.
Yeah.
Crap!
Okay. I'm starting to shake. I'm coming in. I got the motor shut down right there. Look like it's. I'm gonna have to throttle it on up.
Yeah.
It's slowing down though.
Yeah, it is
Now I
slowing
shut it
down.
down. Still gonna come in hot.
Come on. Holy crap!
Whoa.
I didn't know you could do a touch and go.
You can. It can be done.
Ken, you wanna land this?
No, I can't hardly see it. That was a nice touch and go.
You like that?
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta slow down. Maybe.
That's gonna be a hell of a land.
That's a cool touch and go.
Man.
For no landing gear, that's amazing. I don't want to see what that
I
problem
was gonna say, come in real high like I do and try to bleed a lot of
That's
speed.
what I was trying to do.
Come
But
in
I'm gonna
real
have to come
high.
down low.
Come in real high and try to bleed a lot of speed.
Diving?
No.
There you go. Now then we're cooking.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
We got her shut down.
No, you got it. You got it. It's slowing down now.
Maybe.
Sure?
Well, I tell you what, it's the best we did.
Oh, crap.
Holy moly. Good job, Terry.
Man, oh man.
That is sweet.
Guys, that thing is a hot rod now. I don't know if we'd ever get it hit with a radar gun or not, but they're saying about 135 plus.
Well, I'd say it'd do every bit of that.
Man, but these white clouds, it just disappears.
Oh, I
You can't
couldn't.
see it. So, nice blue sky day would be the day to fly this.
I couldn't start to stay on it on the viewfinder. I had to just look above it.
Yeah.